Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I'm fine. I am MD Kamal Hussain Chaudhary, kmitInstitute founder. I can present the Make Money. My channel is third video. Uh, my third video. I am just time wait my second computer the presentation the third video. So welcome to my new viewers, new audience, and engagement. Thank you very much my new visitor in the subscribe my channel, and bell button click here, and thanks a lot the old audience viewers my channel. Thank you very much. Welcome to my kmitInstitute. I am the Kamal Hussain Chaudhary, CEO and founder. My channel is the third videos at the make money on YouTube promotion or marketing. One day is $100 earned for YouTube marketing. I can see my presentation, my video. Uh, Welcome to my kmitInstitute, my YouTube channel. I am the Kamal Hussain Chaudhary. My channel is third video, the make money of online. You have this gain the make money, the 1 days by 1 hours. You have this the $100, the very easily and very easily income in the online income is the marketplace. You have this the YouTube channel, any videos is the promotion of the social media marketing. You have this earn the more make money there. You have this weekly gain to $1 to $500, and the monthly is the one to 2,000, 10,000. You have this dollar earned for this make money. You are the very easy and simple work the YouTube videos marketing and promotion. The lot of money make the online. I have the very easy system is the newly freelancer and newly people. You have the searching of five, or you have the searching of the fiverr.com. So thank you very much. Welcome to my new visitor my channel, kmitInstitute BD, kmitInstitute. I'm the CEO and founder. I'm Kamal Hussain Chaudhary. My channel is the third videos is the presentation the make money, and the lot of lot of earn the make money. Making money is the gain the online platform. Use the lot of platform, the marketplace, the other marketplace, the lot of site the make money of YouTube videos. You have this search of Google, search on Google the make money on YouTube videos, on YouTube promotion, on YouTube marketing. But is real and is 100% right or income. There's a marketplace. This is the Fiverr marketplace. The Fiverr marketplace is the certain any work, any skill is gathered, and experience, and you have this the search. Any skill is the Fiverr search bar. Fiverr search bar. You have the make money and the two videos. The presentation the 2 days or 3 days ago. You have this the make money on Canva, but I'm the newly make money videos is the real oil and right oil income in the Fiverr marketplace. Fiverr marketplace is a search only YouTube promotion, the search in the Fiverr search bar. First time you're the lot of sellers is the provide your the Fiverr. This I'm opening is a one channel, one seller account. You have the two seller account, is the third seller account. The lot of YouTube videos promotion, lot of YouTube channel promotion USA, the lot of geeks, lot of seller, a presentation, the Fiverr marketplace. You have this present the your service sales and the Fiverr marketplace, the very easily and simple oil and right oil income. The Fiverr marketplace. You have the search bar, then search of YouTube YouTube promotion, the lot of gig, lot of application you have the present the Fiverr market. I am see is the just one or two or three account you have this the right place, but I see this the first time this is his account. I will do YouTube videos promotion and with Google ad. You have this make money very simple, is easy and system, or the Google account, Google video ad campaign. The buyer is a 1 week 7 days $60, is a 40 days $150. You have this the four order is queen. Just I am the calculator, calculate this system. The middle price is a standard price is $60 $60. You have this the four orders queen, but one for 150 415 orders is a $60 is equal to 415 work is complete. You have now this $24,900. This same gig selling is the Fiverr marketplace. I'm the second gig or the second application. Visit now this. You have this the sales of the make money on Fiverr marketplace. I will do promote your YouTube monetization package. Your seller is very high professional and high quality, make money, earn this. Your basic system is a YouTube 180 $180. The standard you have this YouTube subscription is a $295. The premium is a $550. I am the search and calculate. You have this system in end of 295 into the 95 orders. You have this the make money 80,000 $25. You have this the monthly 85 $20,000 is average, but you are the big more than 30 to $35,000. The YouTube is a very important part of the online marketplace. The YouTube is a Google. YouTube is a second search engine of Google. Google is a number one search engine. The Google search engine. You have this the YouTube is a one kind of search engine. YouTube is a very people uses the whole world, the lot of people. If the whole world uses YouTube all time, the digital goods and easy smoothly is calling this mobile computer and etc all others good. But YouTube lot of people the work needed to the YouTube. Then YouTube the lot of work system is a monetization package, your video promotion, your video marketing. The video is a lot of web marketing, social media marketing, as like some Instagram marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, etc a lot of social media marketing. You have this the make money gain of the YouTube promotion, YouTube video promotion, YouTube promotion. And the third is the third videos, third gigs and third applications. We have this presentation. I will do organic YouTube promotion of your videos. The seller system, your the standard price, you have this $20. The second price the $55, and premium price is $150 $115. But you have this running the water completely running water. You